So we're doing our famous. So we're. Can I say something real quick? We're gonna do our famous this or that game, which is we're just gonna ask you a question. What do you prefer, this or that? Continue to eat your meal. So if you had to pick between egusi soup and okra soup, which one would you pick? Okra? Sounds like okra beats out of egusi. Egusi? Egusi? Alright, try. It seemed like it's even now. Egusi, okra. Okay. Well, we oh, it depends on who the cook is. No? Okay. Alright, the next question. For those that is into soccer, Chelsea or Manchester? What does that mean? Okay. Traditional wedding or white wedding? Traditional? Sounds like traditional is more where everyone is leaning to. Okay, what was the other question? Okay, Hollywood actress, Genevieve or Mercy Johnson? Mercy? Fellas, Genevieve or Mercy? Which one? Which? It depends on what? The year. Oh, the year. Old Mercy. Okay, so the next one, Nollywood actor, male actor, it's Jim Ike or Nonso? Neither? None? So which one do you like? None of them? Not one? Try. What's the name? It was okay. Okay. Van Vick. Hey, he just. What about Van Vicker? Oh, Ramsey, yeah. You know, I actually met him when I went to Nigeria last. He was at a he was at a university. One of my cousins was I went to her university to see her, and he was there shooting a movie, and the girls were looking from the window screaming, and I went boldly to him. I was like, "Can I take a picture with you?" And the girls in the dorms, they were screaming. It was quite an experience. In person, he looks really good. Ramsey Noah. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. So did I miss any other question, Ugo? What was it? Okay. Yeah, this first meeting, yeah. Oh my goodness. So do anybody have something they want to put in the this or that? Is there something you can think of, this compared to that? I remember now. It was pounded yam versus cassava or jackbo. Pounded yam, not jackbo, no, or apple, no. Pounded yam. Pounded yam. Sounds like pounded yam. Okay. All right. Well, thank you. So, what do you think of the meeting today?
I loved it.
You loved it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you for coming. What do you think of the meeting today? It was good. Thank you. AJK, what do you think of the meeting today?
Excellent.
Awesome. Thank you. What do you guys think of the meeting today? It was good. Awesome. Thank you. Super. What do you think? It was good. Mr. Tim. Hello. What do you think of the meeting today?
Good. I'm on phone with eBay.
Awesome. Thank you for coming.
Yeah.
Madam VP, what do you think of the meeting today?
It was great.
It was great?
Thank you guys, everybody, for coming.
Yes.
So, and we'll continue to do this every month.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
Let me show you guys the food here that we got. We got half a cooler of jollof rice. It's not even halfway. What do you think here?
Great food, good times here. Make Igbo great again, people. That's what's up.
All right.
Holla.
Make Igbo great again. Igbo great again. Not UIU, but Igbo.
That was the core of our mission, right?
That's right. That's right.
You just made my point to me.
Okay. Okay. Let me show the food. Well, this one here has emptied out. That was a pan of some chicken. This one is, oh, that one is just about gone. Those had wings. Woof woof. And we got some stew here, some rice. Yep. The meeting. What do you think? Meeting up? No? All right. It's Mrs. Madam Secretary. So, Madam Secretary, what do you think? Madam Secretary meeting, yay or nay?
Yay.
Awesome, awesome. All right, you guys. This is our first general meeting here. Please come out to the next one, which will be the third Saturday of November. Signing out.